Hi, this is a quick demonstration of some new book folding software that I'd like to show you. Hopefully it's simple to use. What I'm going to do now is quickly first create a pattern using standard tools that are in Windows. So I'm going to start with WordPad. It's like a cut down version of Word. It's free with Windows, pretty much all versions, and Character Map. This is something you may or may not have come across, but it does let us do interesting things with Windows fonts. So I'm going to go for Times New Roman, and given the time of year, we'll have something that's suitable for the time of year. So something like that as a message in a book should sell well, perhaps in mid-February. So get rid of that and put that into here. So that's our starting point. We'll have that a little larger, something like that, and really want to make this stand out a bit, so we'll have that perhaps somewhat larger again, like that. So there we quickly have a basic pattern. Not had to bother using a graphics package at this point. I'm not worried about the spaces in between the letters or anything else like that. I'm just worried about having a quick pattern to look at. I'm going to zoom that in slightly so it's bigger for making it high resolution, and then I'm going to use another standard Windows tool, which is Snipping Tool, and simply highlight that section, and that's going to form the basis of our pattern. So I'll save that, I'll put that on my desktop, I'll call it pattern, and there we go. I now have a small graphic that I want to turn into a book pattern. This is the new book folding software itself. It's resizable, it's friendly, it has some help in which when you're used to it you can hide away if you want to. But you start off with either pasting in from the clipboard or uploading a graphics file. You can zoom in and out, so if you want to see some details on it, so jaggedy bits here and there perhaps, you can do so quite quickly with the mouse. What this will do is not worry about the size of the image itself, purely the part of the image that forms a pattern. So what it will do here is it will show you what part it's going to use. So all this green area here is stuff that's going to be thrown away, you don't need that. The white area is stuff that we will use, and these blue sections are where you've got spaces between the parts of your pattern. Now you don't want those, obviously when you're folding you want each fold to be right next to each other, so again that will be removed to leave us a pattern that looks like that. All we need to do now is set the height of our pages, the number of pages we're going to put this into, let's say a 180 leaf book, and since we haven't put this in and carefully designed this into a graphic, we want to say how big we want it to be. So in our 23 centimetre high book we're going to have, say, 3 centimetres at the top and 3 centimetres at the bottom, so that this is centred nicely into the book. We just hit next. That will show you what it's going to look like, and we hit next again, and there's our folds. As quick and simple as that. And we can just save that again onto our desktop as a CSV. And there you go, there is our pattern ready to roll. You can open that in Excel, and there it is. Thank you.